In this video, I'm going to be talking about asset relations. Assets and how they relate to each other are some of the basic principles of Censhare. Assets may have different relations depending on how they're used in the system, and there are 4 different types of relations which we have in Censhare. So we have the planning relation, which means that the asset has a relation to the planning view, but can still be seen in the asset search view. We have the assignment relation, which means that an asset is assigned to something. We have the placed relation, which means an asset has been placed on something. So, for example, an image placed onto a layout, onto an InDesign document. And then we have the parent and child relation. So parent and child relations work in the direction or order in which the relation has been created. So to put it into context, here's an example. In this example, I'm going to be commissioning an asset, but it could be any type of asset. I'm going to be dropping it into the white space, therefore it has no relations, and it can be found in my unassigned work because it's unassigned. So if you see here in unassigned work, it's there. So even though it's not assigned to something, you can still work on it if you choose to work like this. And then if you want to assign it to something, all you need to do is drag and drop it onto the relevant feature, for example. But it could be assigned to anything, whatever you want it to be assigned to. In this example, I want to assign it to a layout, and I don't want it to have a planning relation because I don't want it to be listed in the planning view. So I choose assignment. Commission is now becomes the child because it asked to create that relation, and so the layout then becomes the parent. And as you can see visually, the commission is now underneath the layout. So let's say I want to drop the commission copy into the system, and to do this I need to create a Mavis asset. Because I want the copy to obtain the rights from the commission and I want it to have a relation with the commission, I will create a relation with the copy to the commission by using the template, the Mavis template. So I drag the Mavis template on top of the commission, and then once created, the commission then has a parent relation to the copy. So the copy is then the child. And again, visually, when we're looking at the structure from this view, we can see that the copy is underneath the commission, therefore it has a child relation. So now I want to place a picture onto the layout, and then I close the layout, and again you can see now that the layout now has a placement relation because it's outside of the picture folder. And you can clearly see this when you're looking at the column view. So if I change the view to the column view, here you go. And that's it.